a discussion about TikTok as a social media platform, especially the phenomenon of verbal violence against teenagers on TikTok. An analysis of the speech gets in the comments column. My name is Rafika Okta Ramadhani, ID number 207.
My name is Dea Yusyawati. ID number is 175.
My name Ahmad Ramadhani Sandi. My ID number 151.
Okay guys, in the next slide, we will discuss about discussion of TikTok as social media. Number 1, TikTok is one of the most popular social media platforms among teenagers. TikTok has a strong appeal for teenagers due to its creative, fast-paced, and easily accessible short-form video format. TikTok's algorithm also allows a content to quickly go viral, making it a platform that teenagers feel connected and relevant to. And number 2, use it for entertainment, self-expression, and social interaction. Teenagers use TikTok not only for entertainment, but also as a space to express their identity, talent, and opinions on good social connection through the comment, like, and the features. And number 3, the comments section serves as a public communication. The comment section serves as a public communication space. The comment section on TikTok serves as an open discussion space, accessible to anyone. This is where interaction between creators and viewers occur, including the direct exchange of opinion, support, and criticism. And number 4, however, this space is also prone to negative comments. Due to its open nature and lack of emotional control, the comments section often becomes a platform for hate speech, insult, and verbal abuse. The situation has the potential to impact teenagers' mental health and create an unhealthy communication climate.
In this slide, problem. Verbal violence on TikTok. This section outlines the core issue identified by the group regarding the current state of social media interaction. One, emergence of verbal violence. Verbal violence is a growing phenomenon specifically found within the comment columns of TikTok. 2. Forms of abuse. This violence manifests in several ways, including direct insult, mockery, body shaming, and general hate speech. 3. The just a joke fallacy. A significant part of the problem is that these harmful comments are often dismissed or labeled as jokes by the perpetrators, even though they carry serious consequences for the victims. And this slide, discussion of the Audinadia case. The presenters use Audinadia as a primary example to illustrate how these abstract problems affect real individuals. 1. Texted profile. Audinadia is a teenage TikToker who is actively involved in creating and uploading content to the platform. 2. Netizen backlash. Despite her creativity, she has become a target for netizens, receiving a high volume of negative comments. 3. Focus on physical appearance. Most of the negative interaction she faced are comments that look to or criticize her physical appearance. 4. Classification. The study categories this specific interaction as documented form of verbal violence, proving that the problem described earlier is happening to real teenage creators.
This slide discusses the case of Audinadia. Audinadia is a teenager TikToker who actively uploads content on social media. Their activity has led to numerous responses from another user, particularly in the commentary section. However, not all of the responses have been positive. Audinadia received numbers negative comments from netizens, most of which focus not on her content but on her physical appearance. These comments range from mockery and insult and can be categorized as a form of verbal abuse. The demonstrates that TikTok comment section can be a space for hate speech. And the next slide explains the impact of bullying of verbal abuse on victims. And the first is feeling of shame and low self-esteem, where victims feel insecure due to the negative comments they receive. The second impact is physical distress, such as stress and emotional distress due to exposure to demeaning comments. Furthermore, bullying is also creates a fear of expressing themselves on social media. The victims are hesitant to post content again for the fear of receiving similar comments. This impact demonstrates that verbal abuse on social media can impact adults' physiological well-being and urge to express themselves.
Why is the comment section valuable? Because its interactive features are so open, allowing anyone to comment without filters or regulation.
What's the difference between joking and verbal abuse? Joking is two-way and fun, while verbal abuse is often restrictive, hurtful, and one-sided.
Why are teenagers most vulnerable to its impact? Because the teenagers are in a period of identity discovery. The opinions of another on social media significantly influence how they view themselves. That's our explanation of today's material. If there are any mistake, we apologize. We will close the class today. Thank you.
Bye bye.